Alright, just want to do a quick video on kind of savings I get at Walmart routinely. Right? Saved $1. Saved $7. I saved $3. Saved 39 cents. Somebody add this up for me because I'm not doing it. I saved about $5. Saved about $12. This is pretty. I've never seen this at Walmart before. It's that colloidal silver stuff. A lot of people have different things to say about this stuff. I might do a separate video on this. Nano silver. What did I do? Saved almost $8 on this. Saved $3 on this. Another one, 39 cents. Another one I saved 39 cents. Another one I saved $1. Another one I saved $1. And this one, look at that. This is like, it's got to be the lowest price thing I ever bought at Walmart in all my years of shopping at Walmart. It's a glow stick, 19 cents. I don't think you can buy anything less at Walmart. Somebody try to beat that. That's not a challenge either. You can't do it. There's nothing you can buy at Walmart for less than 19 cents. It can't be. Anyway, the problem with it though is it's open. And with glow sticks, if they get exposed to air too long, they're no good. So that is the most inexpensive thing I've ever seen or bought at Walmart right there. And I had to buy it because it was so cheap. It's 19 cents, 19 pennies. So that's a quick little video. Kind of savings I get at Walmart routinely. That's how I stretch my money. I work really odd hours so I can get in there when it's not so crowded and load up on stuff. So that's a good indicator. Just go to their clearance section and then learn the routines. They got another clearance section on the meat. I did another video on that. It went crazy. Over 80,000 views or so. But yeah, I'll do more of these Walmart videos because people like them. I mean, it's like having one of those dilemmas where you want to do one thing, but your audience wants another. In fact, put in the comments down there what you want me to do videos on. Because I'm I just got 2,000 subscribers, and no one's really telling me what they want to see. Or if they have, I'm not seeing what they wrote. So put in the comments what kind of video do you want. Okay, thank you very much, and peace out.